Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. It's Adeel and Karl. We're just about to head off for Khunjerab Pass, the China border. I'm excited guys, it's a couple of hours away, a couple of hours back, so it's going to be a bit of a ride today. It's early in the morning, not even 7 o'clock yet, but I'm going to get ready, the bike ready to go, and we'll speak to you on the road. There's 4 or 5 others from the hotel that are following us up in the car, in this little red car I think. Yeehaw, exciting. China, here we come. They're discussing shots, cinematographic shots. Freezing guys, coldest I've been in a long time. Look at everyone having a bit of fun. You hear they're all coming now. Unbelievable. There's yurts down there like the Mongolian tents. You can go and stay in them, but guys, if you're going to be in this area, stay at the Silk Route Lodge. Just amazing. It's got a shared space there for working. Look at this, everything is just so big, I feel like an ant. And there's the rest of the group, the car lot just caught up with us. Guys, this is the most northern town in Pakistan, I think. I'll find out for sure, but we're stopping for breakfast up here, which I'm very, very happy about because I'm a hungry man. Look at this guy, freezing cold, but just incredible. Riding with these guys who are just really, both of them really nice people. Everyone in the car are great people. I'm having the best day. I'm glad I stayed. It's going to be a rush me getting to Lahore for my flight. Worth it. It really is worth it. I slowed down. Ah, here we go. Here we are. I wasn't sure where everyone was, and I'm hungry. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Look at this guys. What a morning. I'm grinning from my toes to the top of my head, just unbelievable. So we're having, I think we're having churro for breakfast, which is kind of a bread filled with meat and cheese and things. I'm hungry. Here's all our travel companions from all over the world. India, Australia, France and Wales, is that right?
Pakistan.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my God.
Pakistani, Indian
sorry.
and Pakistan.
Yes, that's like calling an Australian a Kiwi.
So we're going to have half-fry eggs with Hunza, salt Hunza, kala namak, black pepper, and we're going to have chickpeas as well. And we can see over here the chai is boiling. Got the fresh eggs.
My favourite part of this world is chai. Everywhere you go you can have fresh chai, it's perfect.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Amazing breakfast. Good company. What a day.
I don't know about that.
Yeah,
You're in Australia.
You wanna get the tea bag?
Bloody Kiwis.
Away
we go again. About 2 hours, well it's about an hour, maybe an hour and a half ride to the border, but we'll be stopping, doing a lot of filming along the way. What a morning guys, and what a group of people to be doing it with. I'm having the best day. Just incredible. not trouble, just at acceleration. I've got to find the sweet spot like in an old diesel motor. Karl's little bike, the little 150, that's farting, spluttering and backfiring. So there's a nice healthy white glacier. That's what the glacier should look like. Beautiful. Well guys, we're just about to enter the national park. Doesn't this look great? And the it costs, I'll let you know how much it costs, but there's an entry fee. We've got to show them our passport that we're entering here. Oh, it says right here, $20 US. Woo-wee, but that's all right. Yeah, so it was 6,000 rupee, Pakistani rupee, so about $30 Australian. It's worth it, guys. This whole ride's been worth it. What a day. And just after you buy your ticket, there's an army checkpoint. Got to show them your passport and everything. They take all your details. I guess this is a pretty sensitive area, the China border. I don't know how well you can see it in the GoPro, but that's it, that's the China border, the Khunjerub border crossing. The highest border crossing on the planet. And it's a bit sad because I was supposed to cross here. I was supposed to go into China, spend 2 or 3 days crossing China into Kyrgyzstan, down into Tajikistan, back into Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Russia and Mongolia, but that's life, guys. I'm not complaining. This trip has been just unbelievable. But yes, guys, that's China. Those white those white snow-capped mountains you can see are China. Unbelievable. The glacier here, China. Amazing, guys. Really, really amazing. I'm glad I did this. And this is the highest ATM in the planet. It is. Oh, yeah, the highest ATM in the planet. And I think I might have misled you guys because we're walking uphill and there's another ATM here, so I think this one is the highest ATM on the planet. Yeah. And this is it, guys, China. I should have been passing through there. I'm feeling really quite disappointed right now. But I'm happy that I'm here and I'm happy that I came and had a look. But yeah, I should be stamping my carnet right there. And we've stopped. They've got a little gas barbecue. I don't know if you heard me on the bike with the wind blowing. But yeah, they got a little gas barbecue in the car. We're going to sit and have a cup of coffee or a cup of chai. Here we are, guys. It's incredible. What a day.
Got ibex over here, not far from.
Yeah, and this seems to be the spot for ibex spotting, which is kind of a sheep or a goat with curly horns. Yeah, so everyone's sitting here with their flash binoculars and telescopes and things, checking out in the mountains. And guys, I trudged when we were at the border. I trudged over this paddock to see some yak. And here's some right here, and these ones are those big solid ones. So guys, all this water running down here, the little waterfall, it's all out of a hot springs at the top. So you could just about have a shower in there. Look at this. Morning. We're all loaded up, ready to go. We've got a hard 6 days riding, and I did it again, guys. I changed my ticket to go home earlier because Janet asked me to, which she lets me do this. Look what she lets me do, guys. Just incredible. But my old ticket left in the afternoon and I just realized my new ticket leaves at 1:30 in the morning, so I lost a day, but that's all right. I've got 6 days hard riding and I'll be there. I'm excited, but it's going to be a big day, so I'm going to get on the road and I'll speak to you all later. Well guys, it turns out I had plenty of footage to make a video without putting today's ride in, so you're going to have to watch the next video to see what happens on the way to Lahore. Anyway, If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.